In this video, I'll show you how to see hidden bet on 888stars. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you're on 888stars account after logging and using the promo code I just gave you, and you want to see any hidden bet, every bet that you've done is in the bet history. So both your hidden bet, your visible bets, they are all here. If you want to see hidden bet, you're going to go out to bet history and you can see there is no option that says see hidden bet. You can only hide bet. You can hide it for a week, for a particular number of hours, or just hide it for all. So if you hide it for 2 hours, if you hide a bet for 6 hours, for you to see that hidden bet, you just have to wait for after 6 hours and the bet slip is going to come back to be visible. So there is no way, there is no button for you to click see hidden bets.